Former Law and Justice Minister and Senior Advocate of the Supreme Court Kapil Sibal advised Muslims to increase interaction with non-Muslim communities in order to dispel misunderstandings about Muslims and Islam. Sibal was speaking at the launch ceremony of All India Muslim Personal Law Board's Law Journal. He said the launch of the journal is a good move towards dissemination of Islamic law. He urged the Muslim board people to create awareness about the Islamic and Indian laws.
Sir, what do you want to say about this journal? And you just
I can't
focus on
say
the
anything now because the journal has just been launched. So only time will tell, how the journal will turn out to be. But I think we need journals of this nature which are academically oriented, which allow us to understand both law and religion and the connection between the two. And as long as the academics do their work and do the research, I think the outcomes will be positive.
And you focus also in your speech regarding the justice. We are getting only decisions, orders.
No, I never
judgments.
said that. I said there is a difference between law and justice. Right? Law is enacted by Parliament, interpreted by court. That interpretation may be just, may not be just. But justice ultimately percolates when the objective of the law, in the context of how and why it was made, is satisfied on the ground. Right? And therefore, justice, at the end of every legal framework and every law, the end has to be justice. Right? But there is a connection between the two. If the law doesn't lead to justice, then the law needs to be changed.
What Muslim person
में फर्क की बात की है अभी जिस तरह से हम संसद हुआ है उत्तराखंड में
नहीं देखिए फिर बात मैं आज एक इनॉग्रेट करके इसीलिए मैं
जी तो इसीलिए मैं
इनॉग्रेट करने आया हूँ और तो कुछ नहीं करने आया हूँ बाकी तकरीर आप चाहेंगे तो कहीं और दूंगा
हाँ सर दूसरा सवाल ये था कोई any suggestion to Muslim Personal Board regarding the
I don't give suggestions. It is for them. I have given the suggestion that I had to give. Given the suggestions that the Muslim Personal Board must make take proactive steps to explain what Islam stands for to the people of the country. Okay?
Thank you.